we see today. Today, the best example that we have in the time of the Prophet, he's the best example of living Tawheed in the world. And we've given the talk on Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, mercy to humanity. The Sahabas, the Khulfa Rashidin are the next. Then the Sahabas. Anbiya the number one, the Khulfa Rashidin number two, then the Sahabas. Of course, there are topics on Sahaba, on Tawheed, I won't touch on that. But when you look at their lifetime, we are nothing. When the Prophet told the Sahabas that contribute something for jihad, Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, he comes and gives wealth. He said, this is 50% of my wealth. The Prophet asked, what did you leave home? He said, Ya Rasulullah, I gave 50% to you, 50% I kept it at home. MashaAllah, very good. Hazrat Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, he comes and he gives his contribution. The Prophet asks him, what did you keep at home? He said, I gave everything. I kept Allah and His Rasul at home. The level of Tawheed of Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, is the highest after the Anbiyas. That is the reason the Prophet said, keeping Hazrat Abu Bakr on one side, may Allah be pleased with him, and the full Ummah on the other side, Hazrat Abu Bakr will be higher on the scale than the full Muslim Ummah except the Anbiyas. Then the Prophet said, the Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, he kept on one scale. On the other scale, leave aside the Anbiyas and Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, the full Muslim Ummah, Hazrat Abu Bakr alone will be heavier. 1% more than the full Ummah except Anbiya. The second person, better than the full Ummah except Anbiya and Hazrat Abu Bakr. See the level. We are nothing. If you see the lifestyle of the Sahaba, the way we are enjoying life is nothing.